Ndị be anyị ekeneni m unu n'ụbọchị nke taa. Anyị sị na ya dịrị ndị Igbo na mma. Dịka o si dị, ihe a bụ Igbo Media ka anyị si wee na-ewetara unu ya bụ nnukwu ozi dị oke mkpa gbasata maka ana Igbo and Igbo community and ihe debe na Nigeria. Ya bụ ife ka anyị na-ewetara unu na Igbo Media. Dịka isi wee na-esole anyị, ọ bụ na nke a bụ ụbọchị izizi gị ị na-abịa n'ilu akwụkwọ na Igbo Media, kabaru ka subscribe and turn on your notification ka ị lapụ miss any of our update dịka anyị na-etikwu ya n'ilu akwụkwọ kwa mgbe. Dịka o si dị, o nwere ya wetara n'ụbọchị nke taa gbasata maka ka ya bụ ife si ada and gbasata maka ka ya bụ ife si akpọtụ n'ala Igbo. Biko mma achọ ka ige ya bụ ife. Ihe a bụ ihe BIAFRA Chief of Staff bụ Ngozi Orabueze kwuru n'ilu akwụkwọ gbasata maka ka o si ada na Finland and gbasata maka Biafran Prime Minister Maazị Simon Ekpa. So igecha ya bụ ife idropụra ife iche n'ilu akwụkwọ gbasata maka ihe bụ ife ndị a niile okwu. All right, over to you.
Where we respect the rights of every individual, regardless of your religion, your tribe, your ethnicity. That is what we have vowed for. That is what we have signed for.
Exactly.
To be one of the best countries in the world.
Don't mind that. They want to build country of racist country.
Constitution of the United States of Biafra. That is what our Prime Minister wanted. That is what our leader nnamdi wanted. So for the mediocres that are jumping up on social media, trying to deceive those within their category, genuine Biafrans, we already know them. We know they have nothing to offer. Our Prime Minister already said it. They are fully sabo betrayers and eye services. That's all they do. The Prime Minister already know them right from nnamdi time. Trust me, he knows. So when they pretend to be something different, just go back and listen to the voices and the words of our Prime Minister and our leader Nnamdi Kanu. That will guide you. The United States of Biafra is built on freedom for everyone who respects our Constitution. I want to use this opportunity to let Christopher Musa, the Defense Chief of Nigeria, to know United States of Biafra, South is no longer a Nigerian territory. It's no longer a Nigerian territory. You confuse yourself, not Biafrans. You confuse yourself and those that follow you when you make comments that include Southeast, South. Christopher Musa, United States of Biafra is a sovereign state. We met all the criteria. We fulfilled all the criteria as a sovereign state. If you are a decent individual, what you should be focusing on right now is how to withdraw any of your element out from United States of Biafra territory. Tinubu and Musa, that's what you should be doing right now. How to remove your agents, military, police, agents, Ebuka Obi, the legitimized governors. You should be planning with them how to move away outside from the territorial entity called the United States of Biafra, because at this point, that entity is a sovereign state, and you are currently, any of your elements inside Biafra, you are occupying a foreign land. And I want the international community, those of you listening to me, to know that the United States of Biafra is a foreign state. Nigeria state, currently in Biafra land, is occupying a foreign territory. Tell them to leave the Biafra territory. Christopher Musa, you have no right, no power, no legal standing to talk or say anything about Biafra anymore. Southeast anymore, South anymore, because it is not a Nigerian territory. It is not. And you must stop deceiving yourself and those that are listening to you. You must stop that deceit as quickly as possible. As we are all aware, our Prime Minister have a new defense attorney, like I said before, on the update. And we are waiting for the update from Finland on what next they want to do. I will encourage BIAFRAs to continue to donate for our freedom, continue to donate for our humanitarian services, continue to donate for our self-defense, continue to donate for our self-determination. That is what this weekly fundraising is, to stop the Nigerian state from killing our people. It is only the illiterates and mediocres that will be talking about humanitarian donation. They have no clue what humanitarian donation means. They don't know because they are mediocres, because they can't comprehend. Their level is so low, they don't know. And we cannot help them. We have approved accounts to donate both in homeland and abroad. And I thank all the people that have been using all those approved accounts to donate. Continue to donate. Those accounts are safe, and we will continue to donate. It is our right. There's nothing illegal we are doing. And we will continue to report any Nigerian bank that harasses any innocent Biafran, that seizes the money for any innocent Biafran. We are already doing so, and we will continue to report the banks and their directors that try to tamper with the right of Biafrans to move money, donate money to whoever they want. We will continue to report them. We're already doing that. Because you have no right to do what you are doing. That is not within the scope. For you to be given the approval and the authority by the international financial system to approve you as a bank in Nigeria to operate as a financial system, there are rules that guide you. And when you are a bank and you deviate from those rules, we will take the appropriate action against your bank and against those directors that are in those banks. We have to do that. We're already doing that. So it is for your own interest to stick to the laws that guide you in the establishment of your institution. When you go around giving the names of innocent people that open bank accounts in your bank to Nigerian state, you are committing a crime. And we will see you in court. We will, I promise you. I want to let Biafrans know that our Washington, D.C. event is coming up on May 30th, and we want everyone to obtain their tickets. If you've not picked up your ticket, please go ahead and pick up your ticket for the May 30th event. It is going to be a very memorable event. I also want to use this opportunity to let Biafrans know that we are going to very soon activate our survival whistle in the whole Biafra land, in the whole 40 states. We already have a quantity at homeland. And once we get all the things we need, all the logistics, those survival whistle will be distributed to the whole 40 states and to the whole citizens of Biafra land. Do not think you are not a victim. Every Biafran is a victim of the Nigerian terrorist state. Every Biafran, regardless of who you are, I'm telling you, you are a victim. So you must carry those survival whistle once we launch and activate them to wherever you go. Anywhere once you're stepping out from your house, make sure you have your survival whistle either in your pocket, in your hand, anywhere you want to hang it. The reason for the survival whistle is for you to be alive. Thousands of innocent Biafrans have been forcefully taken away by the Nigerian state. It's been reported by Amnesty International and other world bodies how Nigerian state initiate forceful disappearance of indigenous Biafrans, indigenous citizens, and we never see them again. The survival whistle is for you to know and to use it effectively. We will teach you where, when, how, what to use it. Once we activate that, you must use it once you're stepping out from your home. So that when these delegitimized governors send their agents like Ebuka Obi and all that, and the Nigerian state send their terrorists, the reintegrated terrorists that they give AK-47, they send them to you. You must use it to live. If you don't use it, they will kill you. You must leave it because every Biafran is a soldier. You use it, you activate it, you blow that whistle to save your life. To save your life. Any person, any criminal talking about or talking against this whistle, they are the paid agent of the Nigerian terrorist state and the delegitimized governors. They are paid by them to discredit what we are doing. That is all they do. They pay them to say what they say. Oh, the whistle has a chip inside it. Oh, the whistle will lead to your death. Oh, the whistle. These are mediocres. I don't know how many times I'm going to use the word. These are itiboribos, illiterates, and mediocres that have no clue what the defense of our people is. They have no clue. They are paid to do what they are saying, to do what they are doing. It is left for all of us Biafrans to confront these mediocres and these criminals and let them know that they are dead on arrival with all these their deceit. Again, I want to quickly let Biafrans know that all the lies these people parade all over the social media to be relevant. There's nothing like that. It's all lies. It's all lies. We don't know nobody. I don't know nobody. It's only in this struggle that we come together. I don't know nobody. We cannot help those who cannot help themselves. We cannot help people who just go out and lie about what they don't know about. We can never build a country where we have liars
Bam.
parading themselves as people that are fighting for us. Never. Not in the United States of Biafra government. They can go and develop a country of liars where mediocres are the ones lying and ruling, but not USB. United States of Biafra is high class, high tech. For some sick individuals that lie to Biafrans, telling them, oh, Dr. Robreze, she's a Fulani, she's lives in my people. I've never crossed Abuja since I was born. I've never crossed Abuja. Abuja is the highest place in Nigeria that I've really crossed. Talk less of being brought up in the north.
You hold no one explanation. Don't hold anybody explanation.
I've not lived anywhere apart from the southeast and Benin, where I went to school. Abuja is visitation or staying in my home. I've never crossed Abuja all my life. So those individuals that come out to lie to you people, that Ngozi, they saw Dr. Rabweze in one street in the north, that they lived with me, that I'm this, please, it's all lies. Disregard those lies. And the question you're going to ask yourself as genuine Biafrans, what is their intent? Somebody that comes out openly and just lie about what they don't know, just lie against somebody. What is their intent? What kind of children does this kind of individuals bring up? What kind of families do they raise?
Wadaloli neno from Igbo media, boy by Siwene Utenu Nyabozi, Dio Kempa, Bastabak Yemen and Nigeria, and the enemy teacher na Eastern region, and Uno Kosia Dana Finland, and the Biafran Prime Minister, KCGD, the update and the Yabo Biafran declaration came in Finland, so Yelina Kaya, I know Telu Nira Huko. Kifi waliku basta makayabo iye chief of staff kukasinirwa kuko yaneboro tagasiaka and the new development on Biafra of United States of Biafra. So yabi ife ka isi ka tiedu no kono kwa ifunche no den kono basta makayabi ife ngwa dado dinen nke mesia no monem.